Bali, ang building po na na-damage ay IME building, main building at saka po yung karinderya natin. A total of 131 stallholders po ang affected, sir. As of now,
Sorry. 131 fully damaged na gito eh. O amin-aming nga stalls nga apektado. Kasi apektado pa yung
yun yung mga na-damage, sir. Yung mga damage po yun.
Naging fully damaged. 132.
One sir. Tapos, pag-aari po ni Sir Willie Pukan, Fortuner at saka L3. And then, kurong-kurong po. And then, may mga sasakyan po ng mga stallholders natin, motorcycle, sniper at saka rider po. Yun po yung mga ano natin, sir. And then, kinausap ko po yung mga staff ko individually. Tinatawagan po yung mga stall owners natin para at least may bigay nila yung mga inventories nila para alam po natin yung laman po ng individual stalls po ng mga nasa palengke po.
Sir Danny, buong gabi ka nandun, pati kaninang umaga. Adakad napasama ka looting, stealing, or any kind of any kind of that?
Actually, sir, wala po akong nakita, pero hearsay, may sinasabi sila na someone are attempting na maglulot.
Pero wala pa po nag-report?
Wala naman po, sir.
Thank you, sir. Any questions for Sir Danny to the body?
So that Market Master, ibagang sinabi mo kanina, yung nasunugan from the west side in front of the office up to Gasgadan and sa likod nila and yung building, yung pinatayo ni Ma'am noon.
Partially.
Hindi totally yun, ano?
Hindi, sir.
Hindi totally. So, ang affected is 132 stall owners based on your record.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We have how many stall owners or registered market how to call that? Permitting. Okay, Mr. Parek, who is your account officer there? We need to know the exact number of our stall owners in the public market. Oh, by the way, just recently the Office of the President relayed we have that they could extend as long as we will just immediately submit our assessment. So i-alisto tayo, i-assessment tayo ako, the Office of the President through ASEC Anne Remigio.